Follow the tips in this video to get the most out of the 2-in-1 blender. Slice uncooked ingredients into small pieces before blending, no bigger than approximately 2 cm in size. Always allow cooked ingredients to cool before blending. Always ensure a sufficient volume of liquid is used when blending to achieve a smooth consistency. Do not use ice cubes when making smoothies. Use crushed ice instead. Avoid blending continuously for more than 1 minute at a time, and leave the unit to cool for a few minutes in between uses. Recharge the unit after use so it's ready to use next time. Hand wash the attachments after every use using a sponge and soapy water. Do not put in the dishwasher.